So question number 21st question. Given the rounded values of A, B and C. So we are given the values. First I write the value of A is equal to 14.55, B equal to 9.6 and C equal to 21. So determine the upper and lower bounds of 180 into B. So actually we need to find the upper bound of 180 into B divided by A into B minus C. But first we find the upper and lower bound of the values A, B and C. Okay. So rounded values are given here. A equal to, so it means that this is rounded up to 2 decimal places. So 2 decimal places mean 0.01 divided by 2. If we divide this one, then we will get 0.005. So now upper and lower bounds of the A, that is equal to add, for upper value add this value to this one, that is 14.555, and when we subtract this one, this will be 14.545. So these are, this is upper bound and this lower bound of A. Similarly for B is rounded up to near 1 decimal place. So 0.1 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.05. So for B this will be upper bound value. So 0.05, when we add, this will be 9.65, and the other value when we subtract this one, this will be 9.55. For C, this is C equal to 21. C equal to 21, this is rounded to nearest whole number. Actually this is whole number. For whole number we take the 1. We will take 1 because difference is 1 divided by 2, this is 0.5. So for C we can write lower bound, C less than equal to 21.5, and this will be 20.5. This is less than equal to, so let me write it again, that is 20.5 less than equal to, this is C, and less than 21.5. So we find the lower and upper bound of the A, B and C. Now the expression is, we need to find the bounds of 180 into B divided by A into B minus C. So actually we need to find the bounds of this expression. For this 180 into B, we will use the upper bounds. Determine the upper and lower bounds of this one. So I copied 2 set of values, B equal to 9.65, B 9.65 upper bound. This is value for numerator, and value of B will be separate for denominator. This set for the denominator. A equal to 14.545. Actually we are calculating the upper bounds. I should write here upper bound. So actually these values belong to upper bound. This b is for numerator. The value of b for denominator will be different, as you can see that 9.65, which belong to here, 9.65. Actually this should be 9 point, yes, 9.55. Actually this is 9.55. This is for numerator and this is for denominator. In denominator we take the opposite, and c will be 21.5. c is also in denominator, but there is also minus. So once it will change into 21.5, it will change into 20.5 because of division, and then again because of minus it will change to upper bound. So this set belongs to for denominator and this for numerator. So AB minus C, which is denominator, A, it means A multiplied by B, that is equal to 14.545 into 9.55 minus 21.5. So I put the value from this set, which is the denominator. So that is equal to 117.90475. So upper bound equal to, so we can write upper bound, that is equal to 180 into 9.65 upper set. I put the upper set here, divided by 117.90475. So by dividing, it is approximate equal to 14.732, and we need to answer up to how many significant, three significant figures. So 14.7, this answer is for as per condition, given condition, three significant figures. So this is answer, one answer. And for lower bound, I write the set of values for lower bound. For lower bound, b equal to 9.55, smallest value. We will put smallest value because it is for lower bound. So we will take the value of smallest value. Then a will be equal to, so for lower bound, we need the smallest value, lower bound values in the numerator, but in the denominator it will be opposite. So this a equal to this is lower bound value, b equal to 965. So sorry, actually we took here in the lower bound, we took here 9.55, which is smallest value, but in denominator it will be opposite to the numerator values. So it is smallest value here, a equal to 14.55, which is upper bound value, b equal to 9.65, which is upper bound value, c equal to, because there is a minus, it changed into upper bound, changed into lower bound. So this is the smaller value, lower bound value. So in the expression, this is the term denominator. So here we put the, this is for denominator, put the value here from this set, and the expression was lower bound equal to, put the values here, and for numerator this value, for denominator we already calculated the value, which is this one, divide, multiply and divide it. This is the approximate equal to 14.330, and this is up to 3 significant figures, 3 significant. So this is the answer. But actually we should write like 180b, this AB minus C, this should be less than 14.7 and greater than equal to 14.3. This is actually final answer. Question 22 is the range of values for the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle range is given, that is 74.7 centimeter greater than equal to 72.5 centimeter. So this is range of perimeter is given. Length is 12 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is 12 centimeter rounded to nearest centimeter. So length, that is L equal to less than, that is rounded to centimeters, so it means 1 divided by 2, so this will be 0.5. So this will be 12.5 and less than equal to 11.5, because length is 12 centimeter. So we found the range, and we know that the for rectangle perimeter equal to 2 into length plus width. So perimeter equal to this one, and P divided by 2 equal to L plus W. So here instead of P we can put the value L plus W, or no problem, we can put this value 2L plus W. Instead of P we put the value 2L plus W, which is the perimeter of the rectangle formula. So this is equal to less than equal 74.7 centimeter and greater than equal to 72.5 centimeter. Now divide by 2. So this 2, I mean that L plus W less than 74.7 divided by 2, 74.7 divided by 2, that is equal to 37.35, and when we divide this term, it will be 2 will be cancelled, and divide this one also by 2, 72.5 divided by 2, this is 36.25. So L plus W, length plus width equal to, we found the range. So width, minimum width, we will take the value, lower bound value, this one, minus, and minus actually when we subtract from the sum of the length plus width, we subtract the length, we will get the width. So this will be width, but because we took this lower bound, because of minus we have to take the value of L in the upper bound, which is this one, because of minus. Similarly for maximum width, for maximum we took the maximum value here, and because of minus we put here lower bound, so we subtract, the answer will be this one. So we can write width range, this is the upper bound, this is lower bound. So upper bound width less than upper bound, and this is a lower bound. So we need to answer up to 1 decimal place. So we rounded the figure up to 1 decimal place, 23.8, and this is 25 point, this was 8 and 9. So this is the final answer.